The Lord be with you. Good day, everyone. Today is 17th Sunday in Ordinary Time, July 28. And this Sunday, we are celebrating Grandparents' Sunday. To all the grandparents, to all of you who are so loving, who are so selfless, who are always leading the kids and the grandkids to the Lord. You who enlightened us, you who shared our faith to all of us, we thank you. And we are so blessed that you are all inspirations for all of us. We pray to God that the Lord will continue to give you good health, strong mind and body, so that you will remain with us. So today, my dear sisters and brothers, our gospel is coming from St. John chapter 6, verses 1 to 15. This is all about the feeding of 5,000 people. Many people were following Jesus, and Jesus knew that they were already tired and hungry. So Jesus asked Philip, "What shall we do?" But Philip said, "They don't have enough." But one of the disciples brought a boy who offered 5 loaves and 2 fish. Then Jesus commanded that everyone be seated on the ground. Jesus prayed over and made a wonderful miracle, the multiplication of the bread and the fish. Everyone was able to eat, and they were able to collect more from the leftovers. My dear sisters and brothers, the gospel is telling all of us, we need to partake in the miracle of Jesus. We need to be agents of God miracles. Jesus asked Philip, "What shall we do?" It's not that the Lord didn't know what to do. It's like Jesus would like to share the miracle to His disciples. He would like them to be partakers. And look at the boy who offered 5 loaves and 2 fish. Will Jesus not be able to perform miracles without the 5 loaves and 2 fishes? No, of course not. Jesus certainly create out of nothing. But why did He accept the 5 loaves and 2 fish? Because He wanted to create miracles out of the generosity of the people. There is a little boy who was generous enough, who was selfless enough to offer whatever he has. And so, God made a miracle out of the generosity of the little boy. In other words, we can be instruments of God's miracle. We can be agents of God's miracle. Allow ourselves that our presence, our little thing that we can give, be a miracle for other people. It is not that we who are performing the miracles, but we will be chosen by the Lord to be vessels, to be agents, to be instruments of miracles for other people. And to all of us, recipients of God's wonderful miracles, continue to be blessed, because remember, you are blessed to be a blessing, and you are called to be agents of God's wonderful miracles. God bless.